Hi everyone, we're the Taste of Home Test Kitchen.
Hello!
And we've been busy making some cookies this holiday season. We've learned a few cookie hacks that we're going to share with you today.
The best holiday cookies are cookies that don't spread in the oven. So once you have your cookie dough rolled out and cut, you want to transfer it to a baking sheet and then pop it in the fridge for like 10 minutes. The little extra chilling time will keep the shape in the oven and keep them from spreading.
Before adding your dough to the pan, make sure it's completely cool. A hot pan will cause the dough to start spreading immediately.
If you don't have time to make cookies from scratch, just buy a tube of store-bought cookie dough and mix in 2/3 cup of flour. The stiffer dough will keep your cookies from spreading and help them keep their shape.
When baking delicate cookies like spritz or macarons, to keep them from getting over brown on the bottom, all you need to do is double your sheet pans, and that'll create a layer of insulation that will keep them from getting too dark.
To keep your cookies soft and moist, place a slice of white bread in the container with your cookies. That will absorb the moisture from the bread and keep them soft longer.
Many Christmas cookie recipes call for ingredients like honey, corn syrup, or molasses. To avoid a sticky measurement cup mess, first spray Pam into your measuring cup. This way you'll get a more accurate measurement and cleanup will be a breeze.
Before you start your holiday baking, it's a good idea to check the freshness of your baking soda and baking powder. These leavening agents lose their effectiveness over time. They have a shelf life of about 6 months. We're going to start by testing your baking soda. We're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon into a bowl, and then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. If active bubbling occurs, you're good to go. That's nice and fresh. To test the freshness of baking powder, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon in a bowl and add 1/3 cup of hot water. And again, if active bubbling occurs, you can get baking.